Hello. Hi guys, how you doing? I'm here with a very quick video. As you can see, I've done my nails. I did not videotape myself doing my nails this time, but I've done them. And these are the new set. It's like a glitter ombre type thing. And it is like a midnight blue. But these are the nails this time. So this is like a what's on my nails video. And this is what's on my nails. So I'm trying to let you see how they look. All right. And as you might notice, I've done this hand a little bit long. Trying to show the different angles of the nails. All right, guys, this is all I'm going to be doing on this video this time. So as you can see, it's a very short video, and that's unusual for me, I know. But this is the What's on My Nails video, and I hope you enjoy. Okay, bye-bye.